Courtney. Yeah, Luna? Can you make me some food? Sure, I don't mind. Even though you're literally just sitting there and you could get it yourself. Well, I'm the guest. Don't do that guest crap with me or you're dead. Alright, fine. Could you just go make me some food, please? Yeah. Meet you in the kitchen. Well, not you. You. I'll meet you guys in the kitchen. This is where the stop motion comes in. But welcome to Courtney's kitchen. Let me show you around. No stop motion. I was just joking. Alright, we got fridge, table, kitchen, plants. Alright, first. Oh yes, I'm probably going to do stop motion videos. Let's get some food. I'll get it on the table. Our ingredients are, it's not blood. It's DiGiorno. Pizza. We got bread. Frozen bacon. Apple. Spring water. A banana. What else do we have? A cheese. And we're gonna try to make a meal with that. Alright, let's get to the sink. Alright guys, let's clean the food. Oh. Alright, I'll meet you at the cooking area. Now we're gonna be mixing an apple for Luna. Alright, let's do it. It looks pretty mixed. I'll get our next ingredient. Alright, now let's mix the water. Looks pretty mixed. I'll get our next ingredient. Now let's mix the almonds. Looks pretty mixed. Let's move on to our next ingredient. Now let's mix. It's not blood. It's DiGiorno. Alright, yeah, that's going to be our last ingredient we're mixing, but we are mixing the other ones. And then we have to clean all the ingredients. And then yada, 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 we'll do the next steps together. Now that I've mixed all the ingredients and that all the ingredients are on the floor, we need to clean them with some spray. Alright, now she may get poisoning, but that's alright, huh? No, it's really not. I'm going to get my cooking ID revoked. Yep, I don't know how to say that word. That's okay. Let's do our next ingredient. Alright, somehow now we need to try to fit all of this onto that. Alright. Let's do magic. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Now, let's go put it in the oven. Alright, let's close the oven. I know I'm not filming it very well. Yeah. There we go. Now it's cooking. I'll show you whenever the food is ready in 5 minutes. 5 minutes later. Alright, so I got it in the oven, and now let's open it. Do you guys mind giving me a moment? And there you have it, folks. That's how you make a rrrr cupcake. Now let's go, and I'm going to go feed it to Luna. Let's see her reaction. Here you go, Luna.